Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *# 06#. And as you can see, here is your IMEI number and also serial number for your Orange. So tap on OK to go back. And let's go to the second method. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and here select About Phone, so the last icon. And now scroll down a bit one more time, go to Status, and here you will notice IMEI number and also serial number for your smartphone. So that's it. This is how you can locate IMEI number and serial number for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.